This is, hey, Road Runner 556, it's Tyler. We got a new air conditioner. It's called the Whynter. It's a Whynter ecological air thermos. As you can see, it also comes with a remote, control. See that? So I'm gonna probably set it right now to how many degrees, Mom? Okay, so we're gonna go get. I think we're gonna go up.
We gotta leave right now.
All right, hold on.
Shut it off.
No, hold on.
We can run all night.
All right, so that's a little bit of an intro to the brand new Whynter thermos. If Christian's watching this, we got a new one, buddy. Well, I cannot wait to see you this December. Bye.